right, so here we are with Kara's puppies, and they are now 7 weeks old, 7.5.
Yes.
They've been to the vet, and the vet's given them a big thumbs up, and they've had their first shot, and so they're going to be ready to go in a few days. So I've already started calling a couple people, and I'll finish it. If you didn't catch it on the website, I ended up having kind of an emergency surgery on my back. So that kind of took me out of commission for a little while, but I'm back. Slow, but I'm back. And so here we are, and we've got, can we show a Mex? Mex. Okay, there's little Mex. You can see the little bit of color on his face.
Yes.
Let me see if I can go up close. Hold on. Oh, I can't bend very much, so this is hard. There's Mex, okay. If you can just hold them all about that level, I'll just go through and let you show them, and then I'll pan out again. Okay, Mitch.
Mitch has a spot.
Yep. There's Mitch.
He's calmer.
And Melody.
Melody.
The littler white girl.
Okay. Thank you. Come on, Melody.
Oh, I said it's a pretty girl. And then Marlin. The one that has barely any color on that one eye.
Uh-huh. Oh. Let me see. Is this one?
Go back a little bit because I can't see him. Now put him down.
Yeah, the color on his eye is going a little bit away already.
Yeah, it already is a little, yeah.
It's just...
Okay, and then Minnie, the little girl with the brown on her face. Is that her up there? Yeah, Minnie.
She's petite.
Yeah, she is. And then Majestic. Of course, we all know who Majestic is. Behind you.
Okay.
And then Mira. And Mira is already spoken for. Mira's right here.
Okay.
Mira's got a new home already. So there we go. Let me pull it out. Now this battery wants to go dead too. See how long it'll last us.
Yes. Come on, let's play.
Oh, here they come.
Come on. Oh my God. What is here? Yeah, what is here? Yes, let's play. Come on. We're playing now. We are playing. All of you are playing. Yes. Enough food. The food later.
Oh, look at these people going for glasses.
Don't record me, just them.
Yeah.
Okay, these are my glasses. No. Okay, something else. Oh. Okay, now you play. Come on, don't run away from here. Okay, everybody has to be on the camera. Yes. Everybody's playful. Mitch is a little bit calmer, and Mira. So,
The rest are just normal,
not scared,
playful puppies.
not shy, just calmer. Mitch is like playing, and after that he's going in the crate like, okay guys, I'm done. So, but he's participating,
Yeah.
He's good. Everybody's good.
Checking out the toy basket over there. Look at that.
This is
All right. So there we have Kara's puppies, 7 weeks old.